Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your device runs iOS 14 or later, and you've backed up important data. Once done, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on so panels and accessories can communicate. Next, open Control Center by swiping down from the top right. This brings the iOS panel into view. You'll see tiles and widgets. Tap the panel icon to enter configuration. This first step gets you into the interface where you'll add, arrange, and customize elements. Once inside, begin customizing by pressing Edit or long pressing any tile to reveal options. You can add new widgets with the plus button, selecting sizes, small, medium, large, depending on the information density you want. Arrange tiles by dragging. Prioritize the most used controls near the top for faster access. Make sure to set automations or link shortcuts to panel items so a single tap performs multi-step tasks. This middle stage is where you finish by testing every tile and widget to confirm they trigger the intended actions. If something doesn't respond, first toggle Bluetooth/Wi-Fi or restart your iPhone. That often resolves discovery and permission glitches. Make sure app permissions are granted in settings for widgets that display content. If problems persist, reset the panel layout in settings and reconfigure only the essentials. One key troubleshooting tip: restart before resetting. It saves time by resolving most transient issues without rebuilding your layout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.